Hey, everyone. Welcome to a brand new adventure in the world of artificial intelligence. Buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the fascinating realm of AI agents. What are AI agents, you ask? Imagine having a digital companion, a clever conversationalist who can learn, adapt, and even crack a joke or two. That's the essence of an AI agent. A program that interacts with the world around it, using intelligence and creativity to fulfill its purpose. In this series, we'll unlock the secrets behind building these digital dynamos. We'll start with the basics. Taking apart the simplest form of AI agent, the one model, one prompt conversation, but think of it like a brain in a box. We feed it a single prompt, like "tell me a funny story," and boom, the model taps into its knowledge bank and conjures up a tale. Then, we can respond to its story, and the conversation evolves, step by step. It's like a game of ping-pong with ideas, except the model's paddle is powered by algorithms and machine learning. We'll explore how these algorithms work, how the model learns from prompts and responses, and how we can shape its personality and communication style. But this is just the first step. As we progress, we'll build more complex agents, capable of tasks beyond simple chat. We'll see them navigate virtual worlds, solve problems, and even interact with real-world objects. So, are you ready to join us on this journey? Get ready to learn, experiment, and discover the incredible potential of AI agents. This is more than just technology. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and creating a future where humans and AI work together, hand in hand. Let's build some brains.
Imagine Alice and Bob, two digital pals with a knack for witty banter. But they're not your average coffee-clutching buddies. These two are powered by something called Stable LM Zephyr 3B, a fancy brain that's packed with knowledge from all corners of the internet. Think of it like a giant library they can both access, filled with books, articles, and even the latest gossip from the online world. Now, with this shared brain and a handy translator called a tokenizer, Alice and Bob can chat like pros. Alice, ever the polite one, kicks things off with a friendly "Hey Bob. How's it going?" Bob, using his trusty Stable LM brain, whips up a response that's just the right blend of clever and casual. And just like that, the conversation flows. They toss and turn topics like tennis balls, bouncing from silly jokes to fascinating facts, all the while using their language skills to understand and respond to each other. It's like a never-ending game of I Spy with words, where each turn reveals something new and unexpected. This, my friend, is the magic of AI agents. They're not just machines spitting out code, they're capable of engaging thought-provoking conversations that feel surprisingly human. Imagine them as chatty companions, insightful advisors, or even creative collaborators, all waiting to be unleashed into the world. And as these digital minds get sharper and more sophisticated, who knows what kinds of conversations we might have in the future? Maybe we'll have robots cracking jokes over tea, or AI assistants writing poems alongside us. The possibilities are endless.
Imagine two friends, let's call them Spark and Chatter, having a lively chat. But instead of coffee and cookies, they're fueled by something called an AI brain. This brain, called Stable LM Zephyr 3B, is like a giant library of words and stories, all neatly organized and ready to be used. Spark and Chatter both have access to this brain, but they can't just grab words directly. They need a translator, a special tool called a tokenizer. Think of it like a dictionary that turns human words into numbers the AI brain can understand. So, when Spark wants to say "Hey Chatter, how's it going?" she uses the tokenizer to turn that into a special code. This code travels through wires and whispers into the AI brain. The brain, being super smart, picks out the right words from its vast library and uses them to craft a response. The tokenizer then translates that response back into human words, and boom, Chatter hears "Great, thanks for asking, Spark. What's new with you?" Now, the cool part is that Chatter can do the same thing. She uses her own tokenizer to turn her response into code, sends it to the brain, and gets back a new message for Spark. And just like that, they're having a conversation, bouncing ideas and jokes back and forth, all thanks to their shared AI brain and their trusty translators. It's like a game of whisper down the lane, but instead of a silly phrase, they're whispering clever thoughts and witty comebacks. And the more they talk, the better the brain gets at understanding them, making their conversations even more natural and fun. So, the next time you see a robot or chat with an AI, remember Spark and Chatter. They're proof that even without a beating heart, two minds can connect and create something special, all thanks to the magic of AI and the power of language.